Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a demo account on AvaTrade. So first of all, what you need to do is click here on the three lines left in the top and then select My Accounts. Then we go here to Accounts, and then right now you will see here the real accounts. But if you click here on Add an Account and we click here on Demo Account, we can create our own demo account. Then what you need to do is select right here on Trading Platform, the platform that you want to use. Let's say I want to use the Ava Web Trader, so this is fine. Select here the currency, so USD is fine too. And then we click here on Submit. Then right now our login is standing right here, or account type and server type 2, and they send the passwords to our email address. Then right now we can click here on web trading, and now we can start trading with our demo account. But this is how you can create a demo account on AvaTrade. So hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.